we're just gonna create a little braid. So it's a little bit more playful.
Braids are popular now, right?
Braids
Everybody's doing it.
I find braids are always in.
Especially when you go to the beach, nice sunny place, put your hair up. So she just clipped up a bob pin right over here. She's doing a little bit of a twist.
Thank you.
So right now she has a little plastic
Hair elastic.
hair elastic.
I'm using it for finer hair.
You find it helps a lot?
Just stays.
Oh, I see.
And it doesn't, you don't see it so much. We can
So she's doing another twist, grabbing the little hair elastic, and I can show you guys in 1 second what it looks like.
You can get them in clear, it's even better.
This is what it looks like. It's a little small.
You do have to be careful when you remove them.
Because you can rip the hair out.
Yes. That's it.
So those plastics, she says, they also come in white as well, or clear?
Clear.
Yeah. Also, for you who don't know us, Natalia over here, she's from Toronto.
Hello.
And she's amazing, as you can see, for updos. So I would highly recommend her in any functions, weddings. So if you're in Toronto, definitely a must see, and I'll put the Instagram link below. So right now we're doing the braid. So it's a typical braid that everybody does, with twisting and turning.
Moving it around a bit, make it a little fatter looking.
So right now she's back combing a little bit with
Just a little bit to hold, and we don't even need the elastic actually.
So this is also good because, as you can see, it blends in well with the rest of the hair underneath. And you can also pull out the hair a little bit, it makes it more loose instead of when it's too tight. I love this look. So right now she's putting a little bit of hairspray, and just to give it more texture. And I'll also put the link for the products that we used today. And pretty much this is the finished look. It looks amazing.